Good morning class. I hope so you all are good. Okay, in last section or in last class we started the chapter all things related to one. Okay, firstly we already covered what is change. Change meaning any alteration of a substance from its original shape, size, state is called change. What is change? Change meaning any alteration in any substance, either in its shape, size or state. Okay. For example, melting of ice. Melting of ice meaning ice converted into water. That is change. Okay. Next is classification of change. We also covered this topic. Classification meaning how we divide the changes. So we divide or we classify changes into two types. One is physical change and the second one is chemical change. Okay, Raja, what are the physical changes? Physical change meaning and change in physical properties. What are the physical properties? Meaning the properties that we can observe from the outside. Okay, that are the physical properties like changing shape, size, color and state, texture, smell of substance is a physical change. किसी सबस्टांस के शेप में, साइज में, कलर में, स्टेट में, टेक्सचर में चेंज हो रहा है, दैट इज अ फिजिकल चेंज. मीनिंग वी इन्वॉल्व ऑल दीज प्रॉपर्टीज एज अ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, इन फिजिकल चेंज देयर इज नो न्यू सबस्टांस फॉर्म. किसी तरह का कोई न्यू सबस्टांस नहीं फॉर्म हो रहा. फिजिकल चेंजेस आर जनरली रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. व्हाट आर द फिजिकल चेंजेस? Physical changes are generally reversible changes. Reversible meaning that we can get previous or we can get original substance again. Meaning we can reverse the change. Suppose this is ice. Ice starts melting, so water becomes. Okay. Again, if we freeze the water, it changes into ice. That is reversible change. Meaning, again we get ice from the water. Okay, for example, melting of ice. Okay. Next is chemical change. Okay, this is example of physical change. Ice, melting of ice, meaning ice converted into water, and if we freeze the water again converted into the ice. Okay. Inflating of balloon is also physical change because we fill air in the balloon, so its shape is changed, and after that, when we allow the air to flow from the balloon, again balloon takes its previous shape. Clear? Okay, chemical change. In case of chemical change, when two or more substances are reacted to form a new substance. When this is A, this is B. One substance, two substances, one or two. Meaning two or more substances can react to form a new substance. What is new substance? That is AB. The new substance is AB. Okay, now chemical changes are always irreversible changes. What are the chemical changes? Chemical changes are always irreversible. Meaning we can't again get the original substance. In case of chemical change, we can't get the original substance again. Okay. Next is irreversible change. Irreversible change means a change in which we can get back the initial substance. A change in which we get back the original substance while reversing the reaction is called an irreversible change. We cannot. देखिए irreversible में not. Irreversible में क्या फील होगा? Not. Meaning we cannot get the original substance back. For example, if I burn the paper, can I get back that paper? No. Meaning that is irreversible change. That is chemical change. Okay, what are the reactants? Reactant meaning the initial substances that takes place in any change. The initial substance that takes place in any change, or you can say that undergoes the change, we call that reactant. Okay, product, a new substance that is formed. A new substance that formed during the reaction, we call that product. Okay, okay, the next examples of chemical change. Chemical change meaning cooking of food, burning of paper, spoilage of food. Okay, cooking of food meaning if we का फूड, then can we get again raw material? Suppose आपकी मम्मा ने सब्जी बनाई है, can you get again raw material? Can you get again raw material, or you can say again raw vegetable? No, no possible. If I burn the paper, can I get paper back? No, it changes to ash. You can't get paper from the ash. Okay, photosynthesis. The plants make their food from raw materials like carbon dioxide, H2O, sunlight, and they make glucose. Can plants make again carbon dioxide from the glucose? No. Okay, curdling of milk. Okay, तो सबने सुना होगा घर पे curdling of milk, meaning milk से हम क्या बनाते हैं? कर्ड. कभी सुना है कर्ड बनती तो कर्ड से मिल्क बना लिया? कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपकी मम्मा ने कर्ड से मिल्क बना कर दे दिया? नो, बिकॉज दैट इज अ केमिकल चेंज. वी कांट मेक मिल्क फ्रॉम कर्ड, बट वी ओनली मेक कर्ड फ्रॉम मिल्क. ओके, जैसे रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन मीन दैट आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट्स covered with a brownish coverage, that is brown colored covering, that is rust. Okay, as burning of magnesium ribbon. Now what is the magnesium ribbon? Magnesium is a type of metal. If we burn a magnesium ribbon, then you know magnesium, when we burn a magnesium ribbon, that is also chemical change because it produces heat and ash. So we can't change magnesium ribbon again into original shape. देखिए, this is burning of paper and this is the chemical change. We can't get paper again. Okay, next factors of chemical change. The first factor is change of color. Suppose if we cut apple slices. Okay, suppose आपने घर पे apple slices कट करके रखे हैं. After some time you observe the apple slices covered with the brown colored apple slices covered with the brown colored layer, that is change of color, white to brown, meaning that is chemical change. Next, rusting of iron, अभी पहले किया है, meaning iron objects got brownish colored covering, that is rust. Okay, meaning this is the main factor. Not in every case, but in some cases mainly change of color takes place. Okay, the next, this is rusting of iron, original name, and this is rust. Clear as it? So there is a change, that is chemical change. And the next is next factor. We identify the chemical change. Formation of precipitates. Precipitate meaning PPT. Short form meaning PPT. Okay. Now what are the precipitates? Precipitates mean any solid material that deposit from the solution. On the bottom of, suppose I have a beaker, in beaker some solutions, any solid material that deposit on the bottom of beaker, we call that precipitate. Okay, now when sodium, for example, when sodium chloride meaning NaCl, that is common salt. Okay, when sodium chloride is added is the silver nitrate, the solution form the white color PPT, white color precipitates, that we call chemical change. Okay. Next is absorption, or you can say absorption of heat, light and radiation. In this case heat, radiations, light absorb or absorption हो रहा है. Like cracker fire, मान Diwali, every student may fire cracker. Maybe some students are eco-friendly and like me, they don't like firing crackers. But mostly 90% students fire crackers, show their happiness. Okay. Then cracker firing meaning release of heat, release of energy, release of light. You all absorb na, that is chemical change. Okay, next, change of smell. Does you know what is change of smell? Suppose if we kept cooked food for some time, sometimes the food gets spoiled and foul smell, meaning a very bad smell comes from the food. That is chemical change, and we can't get original food, or you can say you can't get good food from that spoiled food, and we can't eat that spoiled food. That is chemical change. There may be some bacteria react on the food, and you can say food, आप कह सकते हैं कि जो food होता है वो क्या होता है, spoil हो जाता है, that is not eatable. Okay, then next is, okay, this is PPT. We talk about PPT. These are the PPTs, precipitation. Okay, देखो, beaker, liquid and solid deposits on the liquid, that is formation of Okay, the next is we already discussed what physical and chemical changes in detail in last lecture. Also today also I try to recap whole lecture. Even we already did the physical and chemical changes. Still, I want to recap it. So, what are the differences of physical and chemical changes? Physical versus chemical. These are the chemical changes. These are the physical changes. Physical change meaning cannot easily reversed. We can't reverse the chemical change easily. Chemical change meaning we can't reverse it at all. We can't get back to original substance. Okay, we can easily reverse the physical change. We can easily get original substance in case of physical change. New product formed. New product formed in case of chemical change. That is a very important difference. In case of chemical change, formation of new product, but in case of physical change, no new product form. Only physical properties of a substance change, no new substance form. Okay, the reactants are used to form product, A plus B होने वाली है. Okay, but in case no reactants, no need of reactants, ठीक है? Only state change takes place. Okay, often heat, light, sound production occurs. मोस्टली इस केस में क्या है, हीट लाइट साउंड प्रोडक्शन होती है, लेकिन इस केस में क्या है, नो हीट नो लाइट नो साउंड प्रोडक्शन होती है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में भी प्रोड्यूस, बट इस केस में क्या है, नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोडक्शन. ओके, प्रेसिपिटेट्स में फॉर्म, बट इस केस में क्या है, नो प्रेसिपिटेशन फॉर्मेशन. ओके, एग्जांपल एज ए बर्निंग ऑफ वुड. एवरीथिंग न्यू सबस्टेंस ऐश बन रही है, कांट रिवर्स, नहीं रिवर्स कर सकते. रिएक्टेंट क्या है, वुड प्रोडक्ट क्या हुआ, ऐश हो रही है, हीट हो रही है, क्या क्या प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, लाइट प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, हीट प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. ठीक है, दैट इज केमिकल चेंज. फिजिकल चेंज, मेल्टिंग ऑफ ice changes into water. State change, no other change, no new products formed, only ice and water, two products, only we interchange their states, no new formation of the product. Okay, so these are the physical changes. These are the differences between the physical and chemical change. Next topic, that is rusting of iron. As we already talked about the rusting of iron. Rusting of iron means when iron objects kept along in the atmosphere exposed to air. जब iron objects को हम atmosphere के टेम्परेचर में air में exposed रख देते हैं, they react with oxygen and water. They react with oxygen and water and form a new substance with a brown color that we call rust. और उस new substance को हम क्या बोलते हैं, rust. ओके, देखिए this is iron. F is symbol of iron. जैसे मेरा नेम जसविंदर है, शॉर्ट नेम आप जस्ट बोल सकते हो, कुछ भी, किसी का कोई शॉर्ट नेम होता है, किसी का कोई. सेम आयरन इसका फुल नेम है भाई, एफ इसका शॉर्ट नेम मान लीजिए, सिंपल है इसको बुलाने का. ठीक है, दैट इज एफ मीनिंग आयरन. O2 ऑक्सीजन का सिंबल है. जैसे आयरन रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर, ऑक्सीजन H2O वाटर and forms rust. This is the formula of rust. Now what is rust? Fe2O3 multiply XHO2. What is the value of X? X means 1, 2, 3, 4. Any amount of water. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any amount of water. So this is rust. Clear? How iron gets rust? When iron objects get exposed to atmospheric air, or you can say water, moisture, they make rust. And this rust is brownish in color. You can maybe pick. I will show you it. Okay. Okay, this is rusting of iron. This is rusting of iron. This is also rusting of iron. Brownish surface. This is rust. Okay, when iron objects get rusted, it easily destroyed. So rusting of iron is a very dangerous process. Okay, the last topic, that is crystallization. Only for 1 or 2 minutes. What is crystallization? Crystallization is a process from which we form crystal. We form crystal of any substance. Okay, or you can say the process by which crystals of a pure substance are obtained. By which crystals of a pure substance are obtained, we call that crystallization. From the solution, this is solution meaning उसे किसी हम कह सकते हैं सॉल्वेंट में डाला होता है, प्योर example, extraction of salt from the sea water. इधर एक example ले लूँ. Suppose I have a beaker, इसमें मैंने sea water डाल दिया. Okay, sea water में क्या होता है? Salt ही होता है. Salt होता है. नीचे से मैं इसे बर्नर पे हीट कर रही हूँ. Water gets evaporated. After boiling point, water gets evaporated. Now water gets evaporated meaning vapors form. Water gets evaporated. Okay. Next, नीचे क्या बचेगा? Salt. That is crystals of salt, meaning a shiny color, white crystals. That is crystals of salt, and the process is known as crystallization. Okay, Raja, this is all about the chapter. All things react with one another. I hope so you all understand that very well. If still you face any problem, you can call me or message me anytime. In next class we will do its exercise. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.